Using proprietary digital technology projected onto panoramic screens, founder and chief creative officer of ARTECHOUSE, Sandro Caresiledzi, presents a multiverse of gifts opening into giants swinging jingle bells, nutcrackers, a train ride through wreaths, never-ending tinsel, and a candy cane carousel.
It's a spectacular factory, so we welcome the people to this spectacular factory where each gift opens up to this immersive world of holiday theme. And the idea was like, how can we immerse people to this, the holiday spirit and the digital visualization of new way to experience it. It's to ignite that holiday spirit, the hope, the faith, the bright future. I think that's the message. That's what from our standpoint is that we wanted to share from our house to everybody's houses. So the people that walk away from here, they can walk away with this warm and feeling that is, life is beautiful, and with all the upside downs, all the roller coasters, all the crazy things that we're going through, but life is beautiful. It's a blessing to be alive and experiencing what we experience.
ARTECHOUSE's spectacular factory, the Holiday Multiverse, runs until the 8th of January.